Hi, I'm Sammy, and I'm wanting to introduce you to some of the problem-solving couplants and cables that we manufacture here at Echo. This is Signal. It has the highest acoustic impedance of any water-based couplant. When you need a better signal with less noise, this offers better penetration, especially if you're testing above 5 megahertz, or when you're working on castings, rough bar stock, or fiberglass. This is our Echo Z Plus. Use it when pits are difficult or impossible to resolve. It comes in 5 viscosities, from fluid to semi-solid, and it will give you increased transmission with less noise. Echo Z Plus offers high acoustic impedance for excellent penetration and signal-to-noise ratio on rough, corroded, or tightly curved surfaces. It's also great on parts with large grain size. Phased array or angle beam inspections often get delayed when you have to stop to reapply the wedge couplant and recalibrate the UT device. Forever Wedge Couplant eliminates the need for these frequent reapplications. It's a very long-lasting wedge couplant, impervious to both heat and cooling. It doesn't leach out with water or couplant. It eliminates phased array element dropout due to wedge couplant failure, and it's easy to remove. Forever Wedge is packaged in a 2-ounce or 59 millimeter bottle that lasts, well, forever, or much longer than other couplants. If you're traveling to distant project sites, Echo Mix singles are like packing the equivalent of a 55-gallon drum of couplant in a small suitcase. Singles come pre-measured in 1 and 5-gallon packets, or 4 and 20-liter packets. Just add the appropriate amount of water and you're good to go. Echo Mix singles are 1 packet, 1 mix, no measuring. Check out the video on singles on our website. Inspecting with drones is becoming more common. Echo has 2 drone couplants: Ultrasonics for high temperature applications and Echo Pure low viscosity for ambient applications. Ultrasonics pumps like a fluid and stays in place like a gel. It has a low evaporation rate, it's non-toxic, non-corrosive, and leaves no residue in the drone pump. Echo Pure Low Viscosity is the go-to drone couplant for ambient temperature testing. If your UT cables are stiff or break easily in cold weather, Echo's Superflex cables are built for you. They have a temperature range from -40 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Superflex cables bend so your wrists and arms don't have to. To find out more about our Superflex cables, please watch the video on our website. Hot, heavy armored cables are awkward when you're inspecting hot assets. Echo's solution, our shielded red FEP, our orange Mighty Mite, and our Mighty Tough. These cables combine lightweight flexibility and strength with a temperature allowance of up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit or 593 degrees Celsius. They won't get hot, so you don't get burned. If you need to remove the bell-shaped housing on your D790 probe or its equivalent, or if you're frustrated with the tiny screws when you need to access tiny spots, Echo's Cool Hand snaps on and off the cable, no tools required. The Cool Hand's thin design cools the temperature, extending its life while providing a better grip than any other probe handle. If you need better access to ports, Echo's Port Extension Wand snaps on and off the D790 probes or their equivalent. No tools are required. The Port Extension Wand is 10 inches or 25 centimeters long, which reduces heat to the probe as well as to your hand, and it gives greater stability to placement in the port. Please visit Echo Ultrasonics website, send us an email, or give any of us a call if you have ultrasonic challenges or application issues. We'll find a solution.